Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp is not ringing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, whenever you get a call into WhatsApp, if your phone is not ringing, there might be some reasons for this issue. The first one is that your phone is in silent mode or do not disturb mode. In order to solve this issue, just simply check your sound setting is alright or not. You just simply have to check all of your sound setting is set into sound mode, not into the do not disturb or silent mode. And after checking up all this mode, the second thing that you have to do is to go into your WhatsApp application and from there go to settings. And into setting you will find this notification setting into here, and into the notification setting scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get this call notification setting. Into here you will get the setting of ringtone. Now choose any of the action and into there just simply set a ringtone that you would like and click to OK. Then you can hear a ringtone every time you get a call into WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.